Uploading documents into your account is fast, easy, and a secure way to provide us with any documentation we need to complete the background check in a compliant manner. Once you've entered the information and created the draft profile, click on the blue link that says Zero Profile Documents. Click on Upload New Document, choose your file, and input a description of the document. Check the box that says Copy to All Orders and click Submit. The system will then confirm the document has been uploaded. When you return to the draft page, it will now say One Profile Document. To view, download, or remove that document, you can click on the link. Finally, submit your draft profile by scrolling down and clicking Transmit Request. We hope this tutorial was beneficial. However, if you need further assistance, please call us at 866-256-0624 or select live chat from your account dashboard.
Now that's validation.